So this question is from class 10 NCERT exercise 7.2 9 number coordinate geometry. The question is find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining -2 2 and P of 2 8 into 4 equal parts. That means there is a line that is AB. The coordinate of A is -2 2. Also the coordinate of B is 2 8. Okay, we have to find out the coordinates of these points which divides the line segment which divides AB into 4 equal parts. That means it is divided into 4 equal parts. Therefore these are 4 equal parts. This is if we check, let this take as x, y, z. Here x, y, z divides the line segment AB into 1:3, 1:1 and 3:1 respectively. Because if we take the case of x, this is one portion and this is also one, this is also one, this is also one. If we take ax and xb, therefore this is 1 and this is 3. Okay, if we take in case of y, ay and by, this is 1:1. okay, because it has two portions, so two equal portions, so this is 1:1 ratio. If we take the case of z, that means az is 3 and ratio of zb is 1, this is 3:1. So the point x divide the line segment AB 1:3 ratio, the point y divides the line segment AB into 1:1 ratio, and the point z divides the line segment AB into 3:1 respectively. Okay, 3:1 ratio respectively. Okay, we know that this is 1:3 ratio, so we have to apply here m:1 or k:1. Okay, therefore the coordinates of x equals to, formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, here m is 1 and n is 3. 1 into, here x is x2 x1, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, mx2, m into 2 plus n into x1, here n is 3 into x1 is -2, divided by m plus n 1 plus 3, comma m is 1, y2, this is y1, this is y2. Okay, my2, y2 is 8 plus n is 3. Okay, y1 is 2, divided by 1 plus 3, that is m plus n. So this will be 2 minus 6 divided by 4, comma 8 plus 6 divided by 4. Okay, so this is -4 by 4, this is 14 by 4. Okay, so this will be -1 and this will be 7 by 2. Okay, so the coordinates of x will be 7 by 2, right? Now for the coordinates of y. Okay, therefore the coordinates of y equals to, here we can apply the formula of 1:1 formula, that is midpoint formula, that is x2 plus x1 by 2 and y2 plus y1 by 2. Okay, here x2 is 2. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, x2 plus x1 2 plus -2 by 2 divided by y2 plus y1, this is 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 by 2. Okay, so this is 0 by 2, this is 10 by 2, then this is 0 and this is 5. So the coordinates of y will be 0 5. Okay, now for the coordinates of z, the coordinates of z equals to, here we can apply 3:1 formula. Okay, that is mx2 plus nx1, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus my1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so now putting the values of m, n, x2 and x1, we can get the value of m equals to, m is 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1 comma 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2 divided by 3 plus 1. Okay, therefore by solving 6 minus 2 by 4, also 24 plus 2 by 4, so that this is 4 by 4, this is 26 by 4, this is 1 and this is 13 by 2. Okay, therefore these are the coordinates for x, y and z. The coordinate of x is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. The coordinates of y is 0, 5 and the coordinates of z is 1, 13 by 2. So very easy method to solve. We have to remember that this is 4 equal parts, therefore 4 are equal, 4 are in the same ratio. This is 1:3. ax is to xb is 1:3. ay is to yb is to 1:1. az is to bz is 3:1. Okay, thank you.